Hey, how's it going, everyone? We have this deal brought in from Kevin Brooks. We sent him this deal to help call it right when he came in from an inbound Google ad lead. And now he gathered the info, and it was built in 2005, remodeled in 2020. The seller just bought it 2 years ago, and their mortgage balance is looking like $347,000. They're asking $370,000. So this is a VA loan at 4% interest. And we're just seeing if we can potentially make a win-win situation and do some subject to. So let's see what we can do. And Kevin's trying to three-way them in right now.
Hey Justin, you here?
Yeah, I'm here. How's it going?
Pretty good. I got Jason on the line. I'm introducing you to him. Mr. Jason, this is my partner Justin. Just had a couple follow-up questions for you, sir.
Yeah, how's it going, Jason?
A bit better.
Understood. Definitely understand what you're going through, and just seeing if we're able to help you through this transition. So he was telling me you're looking for $370,000, correct?
That would be nice.
Yeah. So how soon are you looking to get this done? Do you have a new place to live already?
Nope.
Okay. Are you gonna rent or buy?
Honestly, I have no idea.
Okay. For sure. So you're looking to get this done pretty quick in like the next 30 days?
In order to save my ass, yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Because you don't want to be late on the payment, the next one?
I don't want to go into foreclosure.
For pre-foreclosure, when's the day we gotta make that happen before?
Honestly, I have no idea, but I just don't want to get to that point.
Okay, understood. So you never missed a payment yet, or how's that looking?
It's coming up on being the first payment missed.
Okay, understood. So I do think we could potentially get you this 370.
Julie's starting an anti-bully group. Are you going to be in that? Actually, you know what? You need to be in that.
I don't know if it would be a cash offer. Our cash offers are typically more higher interest rate loans and for fix and flip kind of properties.
You're just going to have to work on your boys.
Your property's pretty turnkey and makes more sense for like a rental investment or for us to potentially move into this property with me and Kevin. But just looking to see what we can do for this 370. It's called like a more creative finance offer. So we would pretty much come in and take over $347,000 mortgage balance. Is that correct? What you have?
Well, I can get exact numbers if I need to, but
Oh, okay.
that's right.
For sure. So around there, and just as an estimate, so we would keep that mortgage in your name as the existing loan balance, and we would pretty much create a loan where you become the lender and we're the borrower to you. But we're going to be making payments directly to this current mortgage lender to continue making the monthly payments on your behalf. So there's no payments being missed. And we're going to set up a third-party servicing company to notify you every month that we've made the payments. Typically, we use Westar Loan Servicing. You understand kind of what I'm saying about this transaction?
So basically what you're saying is you guys would just be paying the mortgage, and that would be it.
Yeah, we'd be paying the mortgage for you, and we'd be taking over the ownership of the property and making a pretty much easy, smooth transaction where you just have to figure out a new place to live. You can rent, buy. The debt to income would be cleared off of your name, so the lenders would consider this just like a rental investment for you.
But that's not possible with a VA loan.
Well, the debt to income would be removed, and also you can still get another VA loan because the VA allows like a certain entitlement depending like how much for the new house you're looking to buy. You can, let's say you want to buy like $300,000 house again, then we have to see how much entitlement you have left by getting in contact with a VA loan officer, and you can most likely get another house zeroed down.
No, what I'm saying is the VA loan doesn't cover rental properties. If this is considered a rental, they're not going to go with that.
It's kind of, I've done it in the past, so I'm trying to see where you're coming from on that.
I mean, it's just something I was told. I mean, I don't really give a shit, honestly, about the details of it all, as long as it all is kosher with everybody involved.
Yeah, definitely. Well, I've done plenty with VA loans, and it goes through a title company. We get title insurance, and pretty smooth and easy transaction.
Basically, what you're saying is you guys will pay off what the remaining mortgage is.
Yeah, well, we would be paying the mortgage payment over like the 30-year period, or 20, however years are left, monthly.
But I would lose all that equity.
No, we'd be paying you a down payment, cash up front. Well, you're asking 23,000. I do need to see like the interest rate is 4%, correct? And then the payment's $2,000 around.
2041, yeah.
Okay. And is the taxes included in that?
That's taxes and the insurance and, yeah.
Okay, cool. Sounds good there. So, I believe we can get you 20,000 net in your pocket.
I'm trying to look at the balance right now. Give you an exact number.
For sure.
Just phone care is annoying as hell, to be honest with you. All right, good to go. Yeah, we undervalue the house, right? Close to what the balance is for some reason.
Who?
Loan care, they're saying, that I'm just looking at it. They're saying, according to them, like, my balance stays right at where the value of the house is the balance of the loan.
I don't think that's correct.
No, it's ridiculous how they play this game with people.
Yeah, for sure. Agreed there.
But that's the first thing that pops out.
Are you like online on the app?
Reddit. Yeah,
It's online.
Also, I read it. It's 90% of it. I actually like it.
Is it like a hard mortgage statement, or like where you made the last payment?
So, okay, so the balance actually is 342,864.
Okay.
I know it.
The monthly payment is 2,042.34 cents. Principal and interest.
Okay.
Principal interest 1745.35, and then I pay 316.99 in escrow.
Okay. Cool. That's pretty good. So, good to hear on that. So, what kind of repairs are we gonna need to do? Or like, what are we gonna need to do to pretty much help making it easy transition for you to get this sold and find a new place to live in a shorter period of time?
Well, the repairs that need to be done is HVAC needs to be replaced because it's the brick wall to the house.
Okay.
There was a pipe burst in the master bathroom and had to tear out the shower. The leak is fixed, and then right after that, about a month later, the roof started leaking too. Around the exhaust fan, I had to have that fixed as well. All the drywall's up, but because of what happened to me in January, I didn't get the surround put in and finish it out, you know. So the surround needs to be put in along with finishing the paint. And then I need to replace all the screens for the house.
Okay. Definitely. So the screens and the AC and then the pipe burst.
Well, all that's fixed except for getting the surround put in. Not everything, but getting the surround put back in and finishing out the, painting and all that on the walls.
Okay. Cool. Makes sense there. So, I think we would be able to handle some of those repairs. Most likely, we would need to see a walkthrough and have our contractor walk through, see what things are going to cost us. But I think the 20,000 down net in your pocket will pay all the closing costs. There's no realtors involved. And I believe we can close in 30 days. If we need to potentially close sooner, you just got to let me know what's going on with your next payment so we can not have any payments missed on your credit.
Like I said, right now, I'm in that window of, the 13th is when it's considered late. And it'll be the 34th.
Okay. So you want to do like June 7th?
Or
What?
what? June 7th. Doing it what?
Close on the property.
Let me look at the numbers and talk to somebody about this just to see if that's an adequate find living arrangements by then.
Are you planning on renting or buying, or because we'd love to figure it out and help you with it?
Well, the thing is, I have no job, so I don't know what I can do, honestly. That's where I'm frustrated. I may have to relocate to somewhere to get a job.
Okay, understood. Well, maybe renting for a little bit wouldn't be too bad, but just evaluate your options. I'm not sure if the VA would give you a loan right now when you don't have a job or not.
But no, I wouldn't even ask for a loan without a job, so.
Yeah, okay. Well, definitely get on the job hunt as well. We're rooting for an upgrade and whatever job you were at before, and prosperity in your life for sure.
If you guys can, I mean, if you're willing to give me 2 days, on Monday, give me a call back, and I should have more definite answer by then, because I was just taking this over to see what's possible, so.
Okay, understood. We can do that. We can also send you an agreement if you'd like, if you want to review that over the weekend. And, okay. You have his email, Kevin?
I do not. I have a pen.
It's Jason, you're fine, that's part of my email, Jason _left, Echo Fox 76 at Yahoo.
Okay, would you mind spelling that out for me after the underscore?
That's what it is, it's LEFF, like Lima Echo Fox. Okay.
You got all that?
You say Lima?
No, like lemon.
Oh, okay. I got you. Alright, Jason _live at
76 at yahoo.com.
yahoo.com. Jason live.
Yeah, don't forget the underscore.
Jason _live 76 at yahoo.com. Right?
Yep. 100% appreciate your time this evening and looking forward to figuring out if this is the best option for you. We're going to send the agreement over. Let us know if you have any questions or if you want to just get that approved back over to us. We're looking forward to getting this done and figuring out your next living situation for you as well, if you need any guidance on that.
Alright, appreciate it.
Yeah.
Talk to you again.
Appreciate
Have a
you.
good night.
Have a great night.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Alright, it's time to wait 4 more days and find out what's going to go on with the seller and see who he wants to talk to over the weekend, because there might be multiple decision makers. What's up, Kevin?
What up, bro? Good call, Kevin. Good call. Learned a lot.
Good to hear. He gathered the info, and it was built in 2005, remodeled in 2020. The seller just bought it 2 years ago, and their mortgage balance is looking like $347,000. They're asking $370,000. So this is a VA loan at 4% interest, and we're just seeing if we can potentially make a win-win situation and do some subject to.